Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my January factory connection haul. Every month we get a clothing allowance for the managers that work there. I am one of the managers, so I get a set amount that I get to choose from. And this is what I picked this month. I do have one extra item that was not in the clothing haul, and that was a pair of booties. You guys have already seen this booty, but in a different color in a previous haul. And that are these really cute kind of faux black suede, open-toed, open-heeled booty. I love the heel on this because it's not too high. It's got the little stud detail, which is super cute. Buckles at the heel. I actually can size down in our shoes. I don't know why, but I can size down in our shoes, or some of our shoes, but that is one of them I could size down. So there's a pair of black booties. And then in this bag, whenever I'm doing my haul and I'm gathering up things, I try to keep in mind what I already have and what I'm gathering up, so I can make multiple outfits out of, and I can coordinate what I'm getting now with something I already have, vice versa. And I'm going to lay these right here, and we'll get to those at the end. It's a pair of earrings. So the first thing in here is a pair of forest green or dark green treggings. They're called treggings because it is a trouser legging. And tregging. They're super thick. They stretch, so you're not seeing your hiney when you bend over. I can't deal with that with leggings. If you're, they're so thin that you can see everything through them. Those are not leggings. Those are tights. I mean, that's just how it is. I don't want nobody to be able to see my hiney through my pants if I happen to bend over. So I got a pair of treggings. I have this in ivory and in burgundy. No, like a burnt orange. Yeah, I have it in ivory and a burnt orange, and my stomach's starting to growl because it is time for dinner, and I need to go fix my dinner. So we'll do that in a little bit too. So there is a pair of pants. And then to go with those pants, I didn't think I would get this shirt. I looked at it a couple times in there, but something just kept saying it will look so good with those pants. And it is this camo shirt. So as you can see, it's color blocked gray on the bottom, and then you have this camo. So the color blocked is kind of what I like because it's just not solid camo. And the pants retail for $17.99. I meant to tell you what they retailed for. Or was it $19.99? $17.99 for the pants. This shirt is also $17.99. And I think it'd be really cute with like a little black. I have a sleeveless cardi thing that would look cute. So I got that to wear with the pants. I can wear it with khakis. I can wear it with black. I can wear it with a dark gray. I mean, so that way you can wear it different ways. The next shirt I got for two different reasons. Well, a couple of reasons. It will match back to those pants and will be a little more springy. And it is this pink with the stripe on the top. I love the colors. That will take me into spring. It is a really nice material. I don't even know how to explain that material, but I like the material. It also retails for $17.99. But what really got me on this shirt was the back. Was that lace detail on the back. That is just super cute. Oh my gosh. So I have, like I said, the ivory treggings that I can match back to this. I have burgundy pants I can match back to this, and the green, and you can wear it with jeans. So lots of ways to wear this. I have a green cardi swing jacket. I have a pink one, actually. I don't know if it would match this or not. But so a couple different ways I can style this and it not just look the same every time. I have one more shirt in the bag, and I have to find the top because it's kind of weird. Let me find the top. Oh my gosh. So it goes like this. I have to always hold it up and figure it out. So it's a crew, not, is that a crew neck? Scoop, it's not a scoop neck because scoop neck is really deep. But just the rounded neck. There we go, Shannon. Rounded neck. It is horizontal stripes. Again, I can wear this with khakis, my ivory treggings. I can wear it with jeans. I can wear it with black. But the back has a really nice keyhole. Now, here's my thing. I wonder if my bra strap is going to show with that. I hope not. If it does, it does. Oh, well. But super cute. This one retails for $16.99. All the other ones were $17.99. And it does have a shark bite hem on this one. So a little bit of an uneven hem. Long enough to cover up the booty. 3/4 sleeves. Really like that one too. That is my clothing haul, guys. Oh, one last thing. The earrings that I took out the top of the bag. So I got these earrings to match this shirt. I have plenty of pink earrings. Seriously, I have so much pink and like peach. But these match like perfect. So I got these earrings and they're just gray and like khaki and almost like a pewter color. Really pretty. So, and these were $4.99. Really like those. That's my clothing haul. I don't know what I'm going to wear tomorrow, but it'll be something of that. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching this super quick little video. And it's time for dinner. Let's go do some dinner. You want to? Because we're going to film it. All right, guys, I will catch you in the kitchen. See you on the next one.